Hey guys, all right, so today is Wednesday and this is what we're having for dinner. We have some lasagna, got some garlic bread, and we're making like a little salad here. We got some chopped cucumbers, chopped up some carrots, and we have some spinach. So let me show you my plate. All right, you guys, so this is my plate. I'm gonna throw some like dressing on here, some like Greek dressing, but this is pretty much it for tonight. All right. All right, you guys, so we have some garlic butter shrimp and some Alfredo and some pasta. That's what's for dinner tonight. If you guys want to know how I made this, let me know. All right, you guys, so dinner tonight is shrimp Alfredo. And we have some salad, and it is so good. All right, we'll see you guys. So this is what's for dinner tonight. We're making some tacos. So I got some ground beef cooking away over here. I've got some taco shells that I am warming up. I'm just getting these nice and warm and soft, and I'm putting the warmed up ones here, and we have some like lime, cilantro, and onion chopped up. So it's gonna be a really quick dinner tonight for Taco Tuesday. We're just having some tacos. All right, so I'm just gonna throw some meat. This meat is really good. Has really good flavor. So it's nothing too much. I'll throw in that. I am gonna shred up cheese. I'm gonna throw some cilantro on mine. Okay. I'm gonna shred up some cheese because my husband likes cheese with his, so we shall have cheese. Throw in some onions. You can put as much or as little as you want. If you don't like a lot of onions, or if you don't even like onions, you can just do this like regular tacos. But this is it. I'm gonna get some salsa. I'm still working on this, but I'm gonna get some salsa. Put this I have some Valentina. I'm gonna put on there, and I have some lime over here. I'm gonna just grab a couple of those, and this is it tonight. All right, you guys, see you tomorrow. So tonight I have some homemade freezer pizzas that we're gonna go ahead and eat. We have some pepperoni and sausage, and then we just have a cheese pizza. So just gonna pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll be ready. All right, you guys, so I just took it out, and this one bubbled up quite a bit. This one's looking really good, so I'm just gonna cut these up and serve them up. And once again, it's a weeknight, so we're keeping it simple. All right, you guys, so tonight we are having some cheeseburgers. So I have some burgers here. These are the ones that I'm using. They're the hickory barbecue ones. These are my favorite. They have really good flavor. So I put some seasoning salt, a little seasoning salt, a little garlic powder, and some steak seasoning on those. And then the batch before, I fried up some onions so that we can have that for a topping, because I love cooked onions on my burger. So that's what's for dinner tonight. I'll show you the burgers here in a minute. All right, you guys, so this is my burger. I have some cheese. I put some ketchup on the bottom bun, and now I'm gonna top it with some lettuce and some tomatoes. It is gonna be so good. Simple weeknight dinner for busy families. All right, we'll see you tomorrow for dinner tomorrow. Boom. Look at that. Can't see my meat, but it's gonna be so good. You gotta try it with the fried onion. It's so good, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the last meal for the quick and easy dinner. So what I have here is some chicken breasts I'm boiling. I have some like salt and pepper and garlic powder. We're making some chicken noodle soup tonight. Yesterday, my daughter came home not feeling well from school, so we are having chicken noodle soup and some toast with butter tonight. So I'm starting off by boiling my chicken breasts. They were frozen when I first put them in, and so I'm gonna let those finish up. I'm gonna add some carrots, and I think that's it. I'm not gonna make it too complicated. I have some chicken bouillon I put in there, and I'm gonna add some noodles. It's just gonna be really simple. I'm just using whatever I have right now, so stay tuned for what. Okay, you guys, so everything is still boiling. Like I said, I don't know if I said this, but the chicken was still frozen when I put it in, so I'm giving it some extra time. But in the meantime, I have peeled some carrots. So I'm just gonna chop these down to get it ready for when when the chicken's fully cooked, and I'm gonna remove all that icky stuff out of the water and then throw this in with some noodles. Okay, you guys, so I got about 2.5 carrots cut. This is like a pretty big carrot, so I only did half of that one. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the broth now and let these start cooking so that they can get soft. All right, so I pretty much have all my carrots in there. Just gonna mix it around. I'm gonna strain all this other extra stuff off. I'm gonna let this cook. I could cut it up a little higher, I guess. I had it on medium, but I should probably put it, higher. This smells really good too. Sometimes I like to add ginger to my chicken noodle soup. I might just add a little ginger and a little lemon. I always like that in my soup. So I'm gonna let this finish up and let these carrots get soft and keep it real simple. It's got one more. So here I have my chicken I'm working on. I'm getting it chopped for the broth. So yeah, we're pretty much almost done. I'll show you the finished results. I'm actually going to be using fettuccine noodles tonight because I wanted a little bit of a thicker noodle. So that's what I'm using tonight, and I'll show you guys our soup when it's all done. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. This is our chicken noodle soup. I'm having toast on the side with it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.